got red apple, you guys. Check it out. Dun dun dun. Yup, it's Pyro Ronnie. We at it again. New season. Yes, it is. 2022 fireworks stash build. Yes, sir. You guys thought I wasn't gonna make it. Yeah, but I'm here. So let's check it out. What we got. This is the firecracker aisle, guys. They got the firecrackers here, just in case you want to see some of the pricing. Today's pricing might not be tomorrow's pricing, guys, so I wouldn't pay too much attention to that. But got some drone bombers. Let's grab a pack of those. Why not? What we got? Boba bombs.
Don't mean to interrupt the video.
Oh, no worries, brother.
You're from Anaheim or what?
All right, everybody. We here. It's Red Apple. This is, to me, the best fireworks store in Pahrump, Nevada. You got to see it to believe it. I'm not playing. These are all the 200 grammers here, guys. And eye candy. Ooh, that's on sale. 16 shots right there. Look at that. I might have to get a case of that. Wonder if they're 12 in a case. Nice. Yeah, if you guys are going to come down here to Red Apple, you guys better get down here if you're going to enjoy some of these prices they have right now. Because today's prices are not tomorrow's prices. I'm just telling you. It's Pyro Ronnie. It's telling the truth again. You guys don't like when I tell the truth. So you better get down here. They're fully stocked. This set right here is on sale. If you can come down here and grab yourself some. Man, come on, guys. You guys are... Sorry, this is it right here. But look at this. They're fully stocked, folks. Fully stocked. They've got everything from 1,000 shots to candle barrages. And these are the cases. So if you don't want one, you can get a case. Yeah. All right, these are the 200 grammers. We're gonna go to another aisle, so stay tuned. I'll bring you to another aisle. If there's something in particular you guys like and see, just pull it up on their website. It's redapplefireworks.com. And you guys will be able to see these things in full detail. This is a nice looking cake right here. Fish food, 10 shots, 16 bucks. Looks good. Might have to grab one of those. All right, folks, we're gonna go to the other aisle and I'll come back. All right, guys, here you go. Red Apple's fountains. You know they got some of the best fountains, man. So, you guys see something here? Call them up or look online. You can get it by the case. Yes, sir. Oh, happy family. Military tanks are $10. These are pretty cool. Yeah, maybe we'll grab one of those. Fully stocked, guys. Fully stocked. Got your handheld fountains right there, the snow cones. Those are pretty cool. Got your rockets, you got your, you know, your standard rockets for glitter and things like that. Only $5 a pack. If you're into rockets. And then look at these. You got these double parachute brakes right here. And you got the rockets. They got all the rockets right here that you can desire. Yep. All the rockets. There you guys go. Check them out. Got the neons, $3 a pack. Got all the Corona rockets. Those are pretty dope. Yeah, Corona rockets are good. Small Corona rockets. Got the 2-day parachutes. All right. Next aisle. Guys, Pyro Ronnie, we're in the 500-gram cake aisle. So you guys can see they got 500 grammers. Yes, sir. And they've got a lot of sales, preseason sales. So I just want you to know, like 95 bucks for Singing Blue. Look at that cake. It glisten and glitter. And most likely that's 4-1 or 6-1. You never know. But, you know, they're fully stocked here, guys. And got everything you need. Check it out. Red Apple Fireworks. And the other side is the case, if you're wondering why I'm not showing the other side. I just did. The case prices. The giant panda box. Pink Obsession. There you guys go. Alright. Sons of Liberty. That's a pretty good cake. I like it. Alright. There you go. You got your Octo box. You got everything you need here. So, 500 gram aisle again. Some more 500 grammers. You guys, they're just fully stocked. We're gonna try to get past this stuff here. Whoops. The Crusher's a good one too. 9 shots if you got room in your car. It's on sale. Let's see. And absolutely awesome, but that it's just too big, man. Yeah. Really good cake. Alright, guys. This one's on sale, 38 bucks. All right. And you want to see if they got canister shells? Yeah, they've got canister shells. Look at this, Tiki Bombs. Look at that, Tiki Bomb box. $166 for a case. Damn, that's not bad. 12 shell kits. Those are some bangers, you guys. They've got canister shells fully stocked of all their canister shells from Chroma to Geisha, Kabushi. Man, they're fully stocked, you guys. Should just come on down, take advantage of these deals. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Pyro Ronnie. Oh wait, you know what? We got one more aisle. What would it be if I didn't take you all through Red Apple Fireworks? Here we go. The last aisle besides the accessory aisle. Look at that. There you guys go. There's all the good ones. Deadhead on sale, 94 bucks. There you go. Wavelength on sale. Fans on sale. Everything's on sale. These are the best shells out of Red Apple. Death Blossoms. Just want you guys to know that right now. Bangers. Alright? Kush case is bomb. So just in case you guys were like, where's all this stuff? There we go. Outbreak. Got it all. Alright? Pyro Ronnie is the king. See you guys. Alright guys, we're done with that Red Apple. We're about to head over to Outlaw Pyro. See you there. It's Pyro Ronnie. We're leaving Outlaw Pyro. Sorry we didn't get any footage in there today, but we can. Alright guys, it's time to head home. See y'all soon.